Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to your computer class. So we were on chapter features in MS Word. So today we'll study yet another feature of MS Word, which is changing the line spacing. ठीक है, what is line spacing? The distance between two lines. जो आप एक line complete करने के बाद जो distance देते हो, the gap you can say, is known as the line spacing. It can be between your two words also. Spacing is also there between two words. But here we will see that जो lines के बीच में spacing होती है, we can how we can increase or decrease that spacing. So let's start. You can change the amount of space between the lines of the text in your document. Increasing the line spacing can make document easier to review and edit. ठीक है, what is the purpose of changing the line spacing? The purpose is that once we are done, we have increased the line spacing, a document will be easy to review means that if there is certain error in the line, in the words, we can easily rectify those errors and we can edit, we can do the changes. ठीक है, now what are the steps by which we can change the settings? The steps are as follows. First of all, you have to select the text you want to have a different line spacing. The first and foremost thing is that you have to, out of the content which you have typed on the MS Word, you have to select the particular text. And how will you select this? We have already studied. Selecting is done by clicking on the your mouse on the first word and dragging it. ठीक है, when you select any word or any line or any paragraph in MS Word, the color, the paragraph, the selected parts get highlighted. As you can see in the picture, it has highlighted in light blue color. So that will show that you have selected this part. First of all, for changing the line spacing, you have to select the paragraph, then you have to click on home tab. फिर आप home tab पे click करोगे, then click on line spacing button to display available line spacing option. Then there is a button which tells you about the line spacing. उसमें आप जैसे ही click करोगे, there are certain digits. ठीक है, जैसे 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0. These are all what? These are the distance between the two lines. इसमें से आपको choose करना है कि which option you want to for your lines. So suppose that in your book it is chosen as 1.5, so I have chosen the line spacing as 1.5. ठीक है, you will click on the line spacing button to display the available line spacing option. Then you will click on desired line spacing option. फिर according to your choice you can choose the option from that drop down menu. ठीक है, the text appears in the spacing as you selected. As soon as you will select your line, जो भी आपने selected paragraph choose किया था वो आपका उसी line के spacing में आपको you will see that your the selected paragraph is there in the same manner as in you have selected before line spacing. ठीक है, it has changed. In this example we have applied 1.5 line spacing. इसमें हमने 1.5 की line spacing को apply किया है. Okay, so this was your topic. And one thing more, the topics hiding and displaying ruler in the document, changing the tab settings, these topics are omitted from your syllabus. That means you don't have to study these two topics. So directly we are moving to another topic, which is your adding page number. ठीक है, this is yet another feature which is given to us by the MS Word document. And what is the purpose of this feature? For example, I am writing a book. ठीक है, first of all I will type that book on the computer, then only I will take the printout of that book. And if I have not numbered जो page number है, मैंने while writing the document in the MS Word I have not done the numbering of that. ठीक है, उसकी मैंने numbering नहीं की है. So when I will take the printout of what I have typed in the MS Word, it will be very chaos. There will be very confusion कि which page to be put first and which page to be put last. ठीक है, तो to avoid this ambiguity, to avoid this confusion, we will use this feature of MS Word, which is adding page number to give the page, जितने भी pages हमने कंप्यूटर पे टाइप किए उनको नंबरिंग दे सकते हैं. This is the feature. Okay, and how that feature is useful for us? It is useful in a way that when longer documents are there for typing, we can pages in order, we can keep the pages in order after printing once the page number is given to the document. Okay, so you can add page numbers in your document. As you edit your document to add or remove text, Word adjusts the document and page numbers accordingly. And if while typing the text on the MS Word by mistake आपने एक पेज को हटा दिया, ठीक है, आपने जब टाइपिंग की तो आपने उस पेज में टाइप किया, बट लेटर यू फील दैट ये पेज नहीं होना चाहिए मेरी बुक में, तो आपने उस पेज को हटा दिया. सो द प्रॉब्लम इज़ दैट कि बीच में से एक जो नंबरिंग है वो ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगी, बट द कंप्यूटर हैंडल दिस ऑल्सो. वो जो नंबरिंग आपकी एक पेज की हट गई है उसको कंप्यूटर उसके बाद की नंबरिंग को इट मैनेजेस इटसेल्फ, ठीक है. दैट इज़ नॉट एट that is up to the computer that it adjusts the document and page numbers accordingly once you have edited anything or remove the text from the document. Adding page numbers no longer to longer documents can help you keep the pages in order after printing. So this is the useful part of this feature, that once we are taking out the printout of what we have typed in the computer, we can arrange the document very easily since the page number is written there. Okay, now how will we use this feature? Then for that you have to click on insert tab in the ribbon area mein there is a tab which is known as insert tab. You have to choose that tab. Then you will click on the page number button. Then there is an option which is your page number option. Click on the desired location for page numbers, ठीक है. You can choose the location of your page number. Either you want that page number to be shown in the middle of your page, either you want that page number to be shown on the right side of the page, left side of the page, on top of the page for that matter. The location of the page number is chosen by you only. Okay, now the desired page number style is also chosen. that जो आपका पेज नंबर डिज़ायर्ड पेज नंबर स्टाइल मीन्स कि जो आपने पेज नंबर डाला है वो सर्कल में होना चाहिए, वो रेक्टेंगल में होना चाहिए, वो बॉक्स में होना चाहिए, या वो बिना किसी बाउंड्री के होना चाहिए. दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन चूज. ओके, so once you have chosen all these, you can use the scroll bar to see more styles. और तरह के features और तरह के styles को देखने के लिए you can use the scroll bar. And what is the use of the scroll bar? It helps the window screen to move up and down, left and right. So by using that you can see various other options. Now Word assign page numbers in the desired location and formatting to your computer. So the location which you have chosen from that menu, जो वर्ड है आपका उसी लोकेशन पे इट विल शो द पेज नंबर टू योर स्क्रीन. देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन क्लोज हेडर एंड फुटर टू एग्जिट द हेडर एंड फुटर एरिया. देन वंस यू आर डन विद द पेज नंबर थिंग, यू विल क्लिक ऑन हेडर एंड फुटर टू एग्जिट फ्रॉम दैट एरिया. ओके, हेडर एंड फुटर गिव्स द हेडिंग, और फुटर में अगर आप बुक का नाम भी अपने पेज नंबर के साथ लिखना चाहते हो तो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन ऐड, ठीक है. तो दिस इज द फीचर एडिंग पेज नंबर. Now how can the another topic is that adding line number. So let us study this feature also. You can add numbers to the left edge of every line to your document for referring to the location by their number lines. As you have numbered the page, similarly you can number the line also, ठीक है, on the left edge of every line, and this numbering is done on the left side of your page. Edge is your side. This edge numbering thing is done on the left edge of the every line of your document. This feature is useful when you are proofreading. Proofreading is what? Suppose that I have typed a book, a small story book I have typed. Now once I am done with the typing work, I have to recheck it, ठीक है. जैसे हम कॉपी में लिखने के बाद एक बार रीचेक करते that whether I have missed a word or not, whether I have missed a sentence or not. To avoid that, we do the proofreading. So rechecking, the process of rechecking is known as proofreading. Okay, in proofreading you again you don't type the text again, you just read the text to check whether there is any kind of grammatical mistake, whether you have missed any line, whether you have misspelt a word. So that all thing which we do, all that is known as proofreading. Again I am telling, while you are proofreading any document, you don't type the document again, you just go through it, you just read the document to check whether there is any kind of mistake which you have made while typing the document. So this is known as proofreading. So this feature, that adding line number, it helps us then, ठीक है, while we are doing the proofreading, जब हमारे पास numbering line से होती है तो we check, अच्छा there is no mistake in line 1, there is no mistake in line 2. So this is helpful in that way. You can see the line numbers on the screen only in print layout view, and this number lining will be seen to you only in the print layout view. Make sure, now let us see what are the steps. Make sure that you are viewing the document in print layout view. आपका जो नॉर्मल विंडो रहता है उसमें यू कैन नॉट सी, यू हैव टू चूज द ऑप्शन प्रिंट लेआउट व्यू, देन ओनली you will see the numbering of lines. Click on page layout tab. For that you have to click on page layout tab, then click on line numbers button, then click on line numbering option. In this example we are using continuous option. हम इसमें continuous option use करें, मतलब जो numbering of line होगी that will be in continuation, 1 after 2, 3 after 2, 4 after 3, इस तरह से that will be in order. In this example we are using continuation option. Word assign line numbers to each line of your document. How many all those lines which are there in your document, numbers will be assigned to all those lines. ठीक है, तो this was your feature of this MS Word. Now if you want to remove line numbers, follow steps from 1 to 4. What are the steps? Again you have to view your document in print layout form, then you have to click on page layout tab, then you have to click on line numbers, then you have to choose करना, आपको फिर से अनसेलेक्ट करना होगा जो आपने लाइन नंबरिंग ऑप्शन को चूज़ किया था. ठीक है, वंस यू आर डन विद द प्रूफ रीडिंग, अब आप प्रिंट में तो नहीं चाहोगे कि आपकी लाइन की नंबरिंग हो. ठीक है, देयर इज़ नो टेक्स्ट बुक यू हैव सीन टिल नाउ जिसमें 1 2 3 4 लाइन की नंबरिंग की होती है. तो वंस यू आर डन विद द प्रूफ रीडिंग यू कैन डी सेलेक्ट दिस ऑप्शन. ठीक है, यू कैन रिमूव द नंबर लाइन्स, वर्ड्स विल रिमूव लाइन नंबर्स फ्रॉम द डॉक्यूमेंट. सो दिस इज हेल्पफुल इन दैट वे कि प्रूफ रीडिंग से पहले वी हैव पुट द लाइन नंबर्स एंड आफ्टर द प्रूफ रीडिंग इज डन वी विल रिमूव दैट लाइन नंबरिंग. Okay, so this was it. We'll continue further with the topic in our next class. Thank you everyone.